In this video, you'll learn how to build websites and landing pages using Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to create customized pages that effectively showcase your projects or products. Begin by navigating to the Notion website at notion.so. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help in loading the site efficiently. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your Notion workspace. Next, locate the drop-down menu at the top left of the interface. Click on this menu to reveal various options. This menu allows you to access different features and templates available within Notion, enhancing your ability to create customized pages. After that, select the option labeled Templates from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to a section where various pre-designed templates are available. Utilizing templates can significantly save time and provide a professional look to your pages. Once you are in the templates section, type landing page into the search bar. This action will filter the templates specifically related to landing pages, making it easier for you to find the ideal design for your needs. Keep in mind that the loading time may vary based on your following this. Click on the Marketplace option to explore even more templates. The Marketplace provides access to a wider range of templates created by other users, which can inspire your own designs. Take note of the templates that catch your interest. Now, choose a landing page template that suits your project. Click on the template to view its details. This will help you decide if it aligns with your vision for the landing page. Consider what features you want to include. After selecting a template, click on Add to incorporate it into your workspace. This action will create a copy of the template in your Notion environment, allowing you to customize it further. Make sure you have enough storage in your Notion account to accommodate new pages. Next, click on See Template to view the full details of your selected template. This preview will give you insight into how the template is structured and what elements can be modified. Take your time to explore the layout and available features. Now, personalize the template by changing the heading to reflect your project or brand. Click on the heading text and type in your desired title. Customizing the heading is essential as it sets the tone for your landing page. You can then change the content of the page to suit your needs. Click on the text areas and replace the placeholder content with your information. This step is crucial for ensuring that your landing page conveys the right message to visitors. To further customize, click on the paragraph sections and modify the text to align with your objectives. This is where you can provide detailed information about your product or service. Ensure that the information is clear and engaging to your audience.